Milky Way Ice Cream. Here's what you'll need to prepare this homemade ice cream. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of whole milk with 4 full-size Milky Way candy bars that you have chopped into large chunks. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until the candy bars have melted and the mixture is almost completely smooth. Remove the melted candy bars from the heat. In a large mixing bowl, whisk 2 eggs until well blended. Ladle in a little bit of the hot candy bar mixture and whisk to combine. You're basically tempering your eggs here so that they don't curdle when you add the rest of the hot mixture. Slowly whisk the remaining candy bar mixture into the beaten eggs, whisking until well combined. You want to do this slowly and gradually so the heat doesn't overwhelm the eggs. This will only heat the eggs to about 130 degrees, so technically this recipe is made with raw eggs, and if that's a concern for you, you probably shouldn't make this recipe. Or look for pasteurized eggs and make it with pasteurized eggs. Next, whisk in a little granulated sugar and the remaining whole milk. Add a little vanilla and a pinch of salt. Set your milk candy bar mixture aside and whip about a cup of heavy cream to soft peaks using an electric mixer, and then add the whipped cream to the candy bar mixture. Once you've added the whipping cream, refrigerate until well chilled, and then transfer the mixture to an ice cream maker and freeze according to manufacturer's instructions. We like to serve this right away like a soft serve with some chopped candy bars on top, but if you prefer a scoopable ice cream, transfer it to a freezer container and freeze until firm, about 4 to 8 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.